their house. During the freedom fight, they were restricting, they were arresting the people. That time, Dr. Balagangadhar Tilak has planned to gather the people in the mass. It started in the Bombay. He started the public Ganesha. 1893, 1893, Sri Balagangadhar Tilak, he planned that Ganesha should be celebrated in a public place, so that people will gather there. We can tell the people that about the freedom fighting, how to get freedom for India. Britishers were ruling that time. We wanted a independence. For that purpose, the Ganesha festival has started in the public. It's not that Hindu temple, Hindu puja or Muslim puja or Christian puja. It's a public festival. Everybody come here, they will gather, they will discuss about the good things, not bad things. That was the purpose. The Ganesha festival, Ganesha has come to the public for a good cause, for gather together. The people should come together to achieve something. So because of that only, one of the reason where we got the freedom for our India. This is also one of the reasons. People have gathered in the name of Ganesha. In Mumbai, lakhs of people have joined there. They have arranged the festival. There, Balagangadhar Tilak and many people, many freedom fighters, they have addressed the people about the freedom of our India, how to get freedom for our India. So that was the reason the Ganesha festival has come to the public. Okay, those who are traditionally they are doing the festival in their house, they are doing it, but the public when we are doing the festival, it's not a